In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to N8N. This process can streamline your workflows and boost your productivity, and by the end of this video, you'll have a seamless integration. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the N8N website if you haven't signed up yet. Now's the time to do so. Simply click on the sign in button if you already have an account, or the get started option if you're new to the platform. Once you're all set up and logged in, locate the Open Instance button and click it. This will take you to your N8N dashboard where all the magic begins. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Create Workflow option and give it a click. This is where you'll design the flow of tasks and operations, starting with adding a node. The Add Node button should be your next stop. Once you click it, a list of potential nodes appears. Here's where you'll want to pay attention. In the search bar that appears, type in HubSpot. This will bring up the HubSpot node, which is crucial for connecting the two platforms. Click on the HubSpot node and you'll be prompted to choose whether you want to set up a trigger or an action. This will determine how the integration behaves, whether HubSpot should kick things off or respond when something happens in N8N. For this walkthrough, let's assume you want to create or update a contact, which is a common use case. Select that option. Now it's time to ensure N8N and HubSpot can communicate securely. Look for the Create New Credential button and give it a click. You'll need to link your HubSpot account to N8N, which means you'll need to authorize N8N to access your HubSpot data. Click on Connect My Account, which will guide you to a HubSpot login page. Log into your HubSpot account if you're not already. You might need to grant N8N the necessary permissions, ensuring it can perform the operations you've set up in your workflow. Once you have logged in, choose or enter your HubSpot account in the interface that appears. Hit Choose Account and you will see a follow-up prompt asking for permissions. Allow access to the requested permissions to ensure smooth data flow between HubSpot and N8N. It's essential to follow these prompts carefully. Missing out could mean the integration won't function properly. Finally, after allowing access, simply proceed through any final steps that may appear. And there you have it, a connected HubSpot to N8N integration ready to automate your workflows. Great job on setting this up. And remember to test your flow to ensure everything works as expected. Thanks for following along and happy automating.